So today I'm going to be reviewing this wrapping paper gift container. So let's unbox it. So this is what the box looks like. It has compartments. So let's assemble it. So you have this compartment and then you have the inner lining. So when you open up the box, this box looks like this, okay? So you have a storage area where you could hold the wrapping papers too, and then we have the base area, and you can always remove this like that. So this one can go like this, and we just want to take the other strap like that. We're going to take this other strap, so you can see it creates a secure layer at the bottom. So if you have wrapping paper that is too short, you can use this divider, and you see it has velcros inside there, and you also have demarcations like this. So that it will give the right size that you want to have. And you also have an area that you can put your gift bags and cards. You have a section also handle area. You have a section area where you can put the tag and like a labeler area. So normally this is how I store my gift bags and wrapping papers and stuff, but now I can just take this, and if you look at it, you can see I can arrange my gift wrapping paper. I can put another one, and everything stores so neatly. You can see my wrapping paper, it's not moving. And even if I have gift boxes and gift bags, I can take my gift bags and I can store the gift bags in here. So we can store our gift bags in there. I love the fact that it can store from about 20 inches to 40 inches of wrapping paper, and you can actually store about 20 or so of these wrapping papers in that compartment. We can store our streamers, all can be stored in there, and everything goes securely well. And I absolutely love that you can also store this underneath the bed. Very lightweight, very easy to handle, and I absolutely like it.